Hey there friends, ETPC here. I'm doing a unboxing on the Ring Video Doorbell 2. So this is the battery operated one. It has configurable motion detection, infrared night vision, lifetime purchase protection, easy installation, instantaneous two-way talk, Wi-Fi connected, 1080 HD video, and connects to your existing Chime. I thought it was battery operated. Quick release rechargeable battery pack. So this is what we got. Comes in a nice packaging. Let's see here. How do we open this up? So it slides out like this. And we'll see what we get here. There's the box there. And then in that we have... Oh, that's nice. Looks like very well done here. Some kind of sticker. So here is the phone or the doorbell itself. And say hello to Ring. Has a nice little package here. Let's put this down and we'll see what's in this. So it has protected by Ring, a little warning to would-be thieves or people up to no good. Basically what you need for the install: drill bit, screwdriver handle and bit, screws, mini level, all that good stuff. What else do we have in this little package? You got a guy named Jesse. He's there to help you with the setup, and obviously the instruction manual. Okay. All right, so here we have, what is this? Looks like a sturdy mounting plate. It's like some plastic there. Paintable to match your home. Okay. Has the little bag of screws with the anchors. It has another, appears to be an anchor plate as well. Install tools. Let's see what we got in this little, how do you open this up here? Okay, inside this we have diode install per instruction manual, a little diode, I believe that would connect to your old existing bell. More screws with anchors. So we got in the bag here. Oh wow, it comes with all that. It comes with a little mini level, like a USB charger, some wire caps, some wires. There we go, I believe to hook up to the existing bell. Yeah, look at that. It even comes with the tools. So I thought this is what you would need, but it comes with a nice little screwdriver in case you don't have one. That's pretty cool. And a drill bit, hopefully the right size. Right, and it comes with, okay, the different mounts. You have a corner mount and a wedge mount. So that is it for the box. Oh, maybe not. I'm sorry, I did not see this under there. So in here we have the Ring a doorbell cover, possibly. The nice battery pack. Just keeps getting more and more stuff in here. Keeps going. Okay, got the previous Ring doorbell. Use this plate to fit the existing holes. Okay, so if you have the old Ring, then there's another plate in here, and that one you could install. So that one would go over there with more little screws, a little packet of screws. And I believe that's all. My goodness, there was a whole bunch of stuff in there. So we're done with this unboxing. It looks to be some high quality stuff here. And we're going to do a setup and review and demonstration and all that on the next video. So thanks for watching the Ring Video Doorbell 2 unboxing.